So I ventured outside to feed the birds. I put the seat on the ledge, but it is cold. Look how deep the snow is. You missed it, Mama. Ouch. I don't know if it really shows just how windy it is. No, now nothing's moving, of course. Every now and then the wind will really pick up, and then all the snow from the roofs flies off like powder. These trees here. Good day to be home indoors in my jammies, standing in the dog bed, and look who's by the heater with her paws on it. Pony! Oh, Pony. So cute. Alright. And there's the pup waiting for me to sit back down. Had my morning tea, Mom. It was good.